bites to a drink of their victim's blood. The white-winged vampire bat, on the prowl for its next victim. This cockerel is fast asleep. But the bat must be careful. Cockerels are light sleepers. Heat-sensitive receptors enable vampire bats to detect subtle differences in temperature. So it can pinpoint exactly where the warm blood flows close to the skin. She bites. Her saliva contains a powerful anticoagulant known as draculin. This helps her feed quickly and avoids her being noticed. But blood isn't in fact very nutritious, so the bats have to drink over half their own body weight in one sitting. As a result, flight becomes nearly impossible. But her kidneys are remarkable and quickly extract the water from her meal, so within minutes she vanishes into the darkness, leaving the cockerel none the wiser.